Damascus Gear Imperial Kit. Safeguard your body and maintain your agility with the Damascus Gear Imperial Kit. Priced reasonably at $117, this compact kit features the Muller system for hip and groin protection, allowing easy attachment of holsters and pouches. Lightweight and protective, it's an essential addition to your ninja gear. Benchmade SOCP Dagger and Trainer. Experience combat precision with the Benchmade SOCP Dagger and Trainer, priced at $154. Designed in collaboration with Greg Thompson, the creator of a Special Forces training program, this tactical knife pierces multiple layers of clothing and bulletproof vests. With an overall length of 184mm and a blade length of 82mm, it's a versatile and reliable tool for Combat X-Claw. Elevate your self-defense game with the Combat X-Claw, a set of close-quarters combat claws priced at $46, weighing 238 grams for a set of one-handed claws. These 13 centimeters long weapons are designed for effective close combat. The set includes a special pouch for added convenience. Tabi Shoes. Step into comfort and style with Tabi Shoes, beloved by both ninja enthusiasts and those seeking comfort. With a thin and flexible sole and a snug fit, these shoes reduce strain on heels and knees, making them versatile for various activities. A pair of Tabi Shoes can be yours for approximately $30. Bombs EG18x. Create a smoke screen worthy of a ninja with Bombs EG18x. Priced at $12, these premium smoke bombs deliver 90 seconds of smoke in 9 different colors. Easy to use by pulling the ring, these smoke bombs have made appearances in movies like Fast and Furious and The Walking Dead.